Hey y'all, Steve here. Hey, a lot of you may have seen videos of the S111G remote control helicopter flying around, and you may wonder how large it is or how much it weighs. And I know some people probably have a question as to whether or not you can strap a camera onto this little mini helicopter. Well, I'm going to tell you right now that you probably cannot. It's very lightweight. It's pretty much all plastic. There may be some internal metal parts, but it's super lightweight. It would never be able to pick up the weight of a camera. So I wanted to show you. I've got my shipping scale here. Let me turn it on. So if you ever wanted to know what one of these S111G helicopters weigh, we're going to find out right now. Alright, as you can see on the scale, it's 0.08. It's not even 1/10 of a pound. So like I said, these are toys. You're not going to be able to attach a GoPro or anything like that to it. Very lightweight, but it's a fun toy. You know, fly it around your house, have a great time. But yes, 0.08 pounds is what one of these weigh.